Hello everyone! Let's continue exploring Kiama. And this time, we're heading to Jeroa. Just look at this amazing view. Sobrang ganda talaga ng scenery. This is one of those places where the drive itself is already part of the experience. Stop over muna tayo to enjoy the scenery.
Ang ganda guys! Look at that view! Mahangin lang pero ang ganda ng view oh! Dagat!
Ang Jeroa daw is one of the favorite holiday destinations here in New South Wales. Madaming tourists and even locals ang pumupunta daw dito kapag gusto nila mag-unwind or mag-take ng break from the busy city life. Usually daw yung mga tao dito nagpupunta during their holidays tapos magbubook sila ng accommodation dito sa may beach area.
Kaya lang kailangan meron ka life jacket.
Ay,
Pero
kasi
kami walang life jacket, alam mo, tigas ang mapasawal.
in case of oo.
Kasi maalon dyan pag yung talagang maalon. Sobra.
Sobrang amazing yung ganda.
Madami na din akong napuntahan na ibang beaches sa ibang bansa, but this is definitely one of the best too.
Matulas ka. Tingnan mo, ang lawak ng bato, no?
Amazing ang ganda niya.
Actually guys, pwede daw bumaba dyan sa may mga bato-bato, but of course, it will be at your own risk. So mag-ingat lang kasi syempre madulas. Allowed naman daw bumaba at mag-fishing pero you have to wear life jacket. Since it's winter, sightseeing lang muna tayo because it's way too cold para tayo ay mag-swimming. Pero honestly, okay lang din because the views here are more than enough to enjoy. Sometimes you don't even need to jump into the water, just walking around enjoying the fresh ocean breeze is already worth the trip. Guys, tong mga bahay daw dito, they are accommodations for rentals or for holidays.
Dito kasi mag-picture kami sa beach.
Ang cute nila oh.
Sabi mo, sister,
Low tide siya guys oh, kaya kita yung sa ilalim.
Grabe sa linaw.
At ang linis, wala kang makikita ni isang kalat. Ito na ang kanilang beach. Ang puti at very fine ng kanilang buhangin. At meron pa silang lifeguard post dito. Siguro pag summer, may tao dito, may nagbabantay. And look guys, oh, yan yung sinasabi kong mga accommodations or mga rental homes. Yung iba dyan siguro mga vacation houses ng mga mayayaman, mga celebrities. And that's it for our Jeroa road trip and sightseeing. I hope you enjoyed coming along with us and experiencing the beautiful beach views. Even though we didn't get to swim because it's winter, the breathtaking scenery and relaxing atmosphere made the trip totally worth it. See you on the next one. Bye!